Alright, so this is my radio with the side rails and some old background rope wrapped around it, and the tuner that I built. So this was a kit, and it's not scrolling through the screen in real life. In fact, if we get closer to it, it stops scrolling. But you buy the board and you assemble the board and wind the toroids, which is really difficult because I've never done it before. And then it's missing all the hookup wire for that stuff. So that's why in the previous videos I recommended just buying the whole thing for $95, because they charge you $36 for the board, and then they charge you $38 for the case. So like let's just say you're 80 bucks, you know, you're saving, you know, what, $15. Now there's other versions of this particular tuner that have a built-in battery, which honestly I think would be great. That way I don't have to plug it in back here. But so these are the 3D rails, and I just, you know, I like this, how this is set up. You know, it's more for me to attach, you know, things to. But this is like not necessarily my favorite radio for portable. If I had like a limited amount of space. In fact, I honestly think, like, as much of a pain this thing is with the menus and all that, that it would be better for like mobile or set it and forget it. Anyway, you can do all the different stuff you need to do, and you know, the tuner seems to be okay, but basically, like I said before, you know, I wouldn't probably build the kit again. This radio also doesn't have a band stack. I mean, I guess it will remember where you were at. Let's see if this thing will tune 80 meters. Hello. It will not. Hello. We just don't have enough wire. But what's nice about it is it shows you what it's using for the match. And if you, hello, it shows you how bad it is. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to my 450. I like that radio better. So this is still cool radio, but you know, I prefer that radio. I don't like having to go into this radio, because if I want to tune the band, I either have to do what I'm doing, or I have to go into the menu, hold down the band button, and then go down here, and then go to AM, you know. So anyway, I'll catch you guys later.